Okay, so what we got here is a formed nail. I am adding the first bead of white acrylic, and I am basically moving the bead downward towards, the end of the form so that I can, make the shape of what shape I want it to be. You can make any shape on forms. You can make square, you can make pointy, stiletto, ballerina, coffin, squoval, oval. You can even make flared nails. I know a lot of people don't like them, but you still can do it with forms. Anyways, so I'm going to add another bead of white acrylic to the top right there so there's a little bit of space for the pink to go. So it has more of that baby boomer ombre effect to it, and it's not so drastic at the bottom. So I'm just going to keep adding this pink, adding it to what I feel like is a good, you know, good amount of pink for it. Next, I'm going to be adding clear acrylic. Now, the clear acrylic, you really, really want to put it on the blended part, the faded part, so that when you go over it when you're filing, you don't want to mess up the design itself in a way, because it can tend to look patchy, and you don't want to be looking patchy with a brand new set of nails. Nobody wants that, because then everybody would call you patches. So right now, I'm just basically waiting for it to all dry. And I got a little antsy, so I took it off anyways, and it wasn't all the way dry, so it melted in a way, not really melted, but it bended. It bend a certain way that looks really weird to me. I don't know if it looks that way to you guys, but it does to me. You know, the life of a nail tech, that's for sure. The life of a nail tech. Anyway, so I mean, this is where you can tell that it's kind of like bended a little bit. Ooh, girl, I need to do my nails because that is not cute at all. Ooh. Okay. Anyways, what I'm doing right now is filing underneath, so it's a very straight line. And then I go ahead and file the sides very straight. Very, very straight. You really want to get in there and really be not forceful, but you want to put a lot of pressure to kind of get that side the way you want it and to fit their natural nail. Even though the form helps a lot, you still want to get the sides because you never know. As you can see, I put a little more on one side, and that's because I'm doing my own nail, so I'm definitely going to put more, I'm going to be more dominant on a certain side than the other. So I'm just basically trying to fix all that and get it to where I want it to be to have a really nice coffin shape. I like a very sharp, skinny coffin, so that's definitely what I'm trying to achieve right now. Look at that, so cute. Guys, only if you could see my freaking face while doing this, and I'm just looking at my nails like, oh god, why'd you do that? Anywho, yes, while I keep filing and filing away, yes, it does take a minute to file the way you want it to. So do take your time. If you need that time, take your time to do it, because in the end, if you're doing a really good job, time is not going to matter. I mean, as long as you're not taking like 3 to 4 hours to do a nail set. But anyways, so this is where I'm going to show you guys how and where to file on the nail. So I'm getting a Sharpie, and I am basically showing you an outline of where to file. So around the cuticle, around the sides, down the middle, over the top. I want you to go really like in a rounded motion when you're on the top. Not a rounded motion. Like kind of follow the natural nail of what it's supposed to be like. It's really hard to do this while recording, guys. Trust me. I sound like I'm running out of breath too. Oh my god. I hate that. Okay, so basically I go around the cuticle first. That's my first thing. Then I go down the sides. And when I go down the sides, then I go up top again by the cuticle, go around again and down the nail itself. Around and then down. Around and then down. Around and then down. Yes. As you can see, I definitely got Sharpie on my skin, and I almost cut myself. Whoops. Anyway, so I'm really just checking what needs to be done, and that's like the most important thing that you could do is check. Double check your work. Like they say in school, double check your work in math. Girl, I want you to double check that now like it's the business, okay? Cuz that's what's going to get you going. Like, okay, did I check it? Is there anything I seen there that I need to get done? Okay. And if you know you did something that they might see, you better go back and fix it because they will notice it because you noticed it. Anyway, so I'm just about done and I will be buffing. So I'm buffing kind of in the same way how I filed. Around the cuticle, around the sides, down the middle, down the sides, underneath the nail too. Because some people don't like those sharp edges. So definitely underneath that nail for sure. Yes. So I'm going to dust it all off. Dust myself off. Dust them haters off, girl. Dust them haters off. Yeah. Anywho. Then I'm going to spray it with a little bit of alcohol. Ooh, girl, that burned when I did that. I was like, ee. Yeah, totally burned. But, oh well. Anything for YouTube, right? On the video. Oh, yeah. Okay, anyways, I'm just going to wipe it off. And then I am going to get my gel top coat. I use KC. I don't know how to pronounce that right, to be honest. KC gel top coat. It's amazing. If anyone does have another gel top coat that they would like to see me try or want to recommend, please leave the comments down below. I would love to know what type of gel top coat you guys use. But yeah, so I am about to gel this. I mean, I did gel it. Now I'm going to stick it in that UV lamp. Yes, for 90 seconds. The lamp that I have is a Koopa lamp. Oh my god, it is so amazing. Love it. Just one time, your hand in it, done. 90 seconds. It does have other settings though. It has, I think, what is it? 10, 30, and 90. I want to say it has 5 seconds too, or 3 seconds. I don't remember. But, anywho, yes. So while this is going on, yes, my nail is about to be complete. This is a great, like, one to practice all the time. I love doing ombre nails. Love, love, love. I feel like I get better every time I do it. And there you have it, guys. Look at that beautiful, perfect nail right there. As you can see, you know what I'm talking about with that side there. Ooh, pretty. It does look, at first it looked really light, but it's actually more pink than that. It's more of that peachy pink, which I love. And it has glitter in it too, girl. You'll see a little more of a closer view of it, but I do love this look. Definitely a favorite. And you can do ombres with any color. Look at that sparkle, girl. So that was it, guys. That was the pink and white ombre. And I can't wait to do more videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Can't wait to hear from you guys. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Ciao, guys.
I'm feeling electric tonight. Cruising down the coast, going about 99. Got my bad baby by my heavenly side. I know if I